Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just come across a new REIT here. I was doing a video on IIPR and come across this one. And glad I did the video on IIPR, otherwise I wouldn't have come across this one. But it looks very interesting to me. This one is NewLake Capital Partners, ticker NLCP. And like I said, I just found this one, and I've talked about IIPR, REITs, quite a few different stocks in the MJ sector here, and this is another one to add on. So the only bad thing about it is over the counter, so but I'm sure this will be uplisted at some point in time. Again, NewLake Capital Partners, NLCP. As you can see, a strong buy here with a one-year price target of $44. So this one you can't get on Robinhood. You'd have to get it on the major exchanges since it is over-the-counter. Unlike IIPR, you can buy it on any platform. But over-the-counter on this one. So here's a little bit more about NewLake Partners. They're a leading provider of real estate capital and state-licensed MJ operators. Founded in 2019, we are a triple net lease REIT that acquires industrial and retail properties through sale, leaseback transactions, third-party purchases, and built-to-suit projects. Our tenants are some of the leading operators in the United States, licensed MJ industry, and we are a trusted partner for their real estate needs. And so try to go into the website and see a little bit more about them. 2019 triple net leased REIT that requires industrial and retail properties through sale leaseback, and kind of some of the same information that we went into. Ability to scale with clients, institutional counterparty, national platform. Here's a little bit of what they do. Supply necessary real estate capital to companies that cultivate, produce, and or dispense MJ. We have purchased cultivation facilities and dispensaries from coast to coast, provided expansion capital for properties we own, and funded built-to-suit projects. Our team's specialized knowledge combines years of real estate, MJ industry, and capital markets expertise to deliver complete solutions for our clients. So kind of an interesting, I guess I would call it a showroom there, showing off some of the products. There's Columbia, there's an aerial photo, overhead shot.
Goodbye.
And there's a look at the facility. Here's a look at the team. Chief financial officers. Looks like they have quite a few people there. Let's see if there's anything here in the news that we missed. Every once in a while I find an article in this new MJ Ventures. You can find some interesting information there. So MJ Business Daily, Real Estate Weekly. Moving on here, NewLake Capital Partners to participate in the KCSA MJ Virtual Investor Conference. And this is a little bit older, but still relevant because this is a new video, a new stock. So if you're looking to get into this one, just found some information that we could go over here today. So this talks about they will participate in the 2022 virtual conference. Unfortunately, that's already over. But it looks like they are active. That's the point that I was trying to make by this article. Here's a little bit more about them. Internally managed a real estate investment trust that provides real estate capital to state-licensed MJ operators through sale, leaseback transactions, and third-party purchase and funding for build-to-suit projects. NewLake owns a portfolio of 27 cultivation facilities and dispensaries utilized in the MJ industry that are leased to single tenants on a triple net basis. Here's how you can contact them. investor contact, media contact. Like I said, this is a new one. I couldn't find a whole lot of information on this one, but I am going to be researching this one. Might even put in a buy order on this one. A lot of not available information. Previous close, $24.75. Over here on Seeking Alpha. So it doesn't even look like they've been listed for a while. Recent IPO to buy from income investors. So there's a lot of information here. NewLake Capital Partners acquires property in Missouri. Raises dividend by 29%. New REIT on the block. History does not repeat itself. So there's September. We'll take a look at this one, see if we can figure out what the dividend is. Declares 31-cent per share quarterly dividend. So not too bad. So it'd be $1.24 per year. 29.2% increase from prior dividend of 24 cents. So that's quite a switch. 7 cents. Adds up over time, especially if you have it on drip, depending on how many shares you have of this one. But like I said, I was researching this one, or researching IIPR, and came across this one. Announces closing of initial public offering. So they haven't been trading for quite some time, as you can see back there on Seeking Alpha. And for whatever reason, couldn't find them here on StockTwits. I tried several times. NewLake Capital Partners here on MSN Money, showing it as a strong buy, which they all show IIPR the same. So let me know what you think about this one. See if anybody out there has this one. I've covered IIPR numerous times. Just did a video on IIPR as well as one yesterday. So there's always good information coming out about them. And so just something to think about. And if there's any other REITs out there in regards to MJ, you can leave that in the comments as well. And I'd be happy to take a look at those and do a video on that as well. So just a thought, but this is NewLake Capital Partners, as you can see over the counter again. NLCP is the ticker. So, and if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.